next column naman for our travel column, di ba?
Yes.
Okay, I think lahat tayo gusto natin ng libre. Sabi ko nga, basta it's free, I'm free. Di ba?
Yeah, we all love free flights, and we are gonna explain how to get those free flights
Possible siya.
quickly and
Oo,
easily.
Okay. Number 1, I think kailangan nyo magpa-member sa lahat ng miles na ano ba yun, mga partner miles,
Frequent
na mga,
flyer miles.
frequent flyer miles. Important yun, libre lang naman yun. So all you have to do is anytime you fly anywhere,
Whether it be a
mag-member.
business trip.
Oo, kahit na business trip, international, local, magpa-member kayo dun sa partner na frequent flyers nila. Okay, so this is the first step.
And the second step, I would have to say, credit cards. If for example, if it's a large purchase, or for example, magpapagas ka, siyempre, kasi malaki yun malaking monthly expense yun, i-charge mo na sa credit card.
And you can pay your card in cash, di ba?
Yes.
Para walang interest.
And the
amount.
succeeding the points that you get from that purchase, you convert it into frequent flyer miles.
Yes, yun. So, parang sa amin, we made it a habit na kung meron kami mga purchases na sa credit card siya, tapos binabayaran namin yung credit card because sayang naman yung miles, yun nga na pwedeng makuha nyo doon sa mga purchases na yun, which can be transferred.
And also be on the lookout for yung mga, if you get this item, you get, if you
double your miles.
Yeah, you get double
ganon.
your miles. May mga special promos na nagaganap.
Yeah, so make sure you sign up for the alerts na mga frequent flyer memberships nyo. Importante yan sa email, sasabihin nila pag halimbawa, you're really planning a trip.
Yes.
Diba? And then if you buy that certain period, magiging doble yung miles. So I
Yes.
think easier yun. And when you reach a certain level sa mga miles, may level kasi yan, elite, premier elite, gold, ganyan. Depende yan sa
Million
partner.
miler.
O mga ganon. Meron ka mga automatic freebies. Like, halimbawa, automatic upgrade.
May access ka sa lounge.
Access sa lounge. Or hindi ka na kailangan magbayad ng excess baggage. So, I think ang daming natitipid pagka member ka ng mga ganon.
And you also have the priority check-in, like you get your luggage first, etc.
Oo, hassle kasi
Maraming
minsan
mga
pagka,
fringe benefits.
diba, naghihintayan ng luggage. Okay, one more thing, aside from your credit card, yung mga miles na yon have already expanded. So, they have mga restaurants,
Yes.
hotels. So, try to work with yung mga ka-partner.
Spa.
Oo, mga spa. And then, if you present your card, you also get more points. So, closer to free flights, diba?
Right.
Ikaw, ano pinaka-malaki mong nakuwang free sa miles mo? Anong trip?
Free, siguro to Europe.
To Europe.
To Europe.
Ako to US. Like, our last Coachella was free.
Cathay Pacific to Europe.
CX. So, yun, I think that's very important. And make sure, okay, one more thing na parating nangyayari sa miles. If you fly, dapat, di ba, i-quote mo usually yung number mo.
Right.
Make sure to check kung na-credit ba siya or hindi.
Or if you forgot to quote your number, you can always request for your miles to be credited.
Yeah.
Because it lasts for like ilang months lang, and then they disregard it.
They take it out. Okay, talking about miles, may expiration din yung ibang miles. So, make sure na naka-monitor kayo. Ako, I have a logbook on my computer na lahat ng miles ko, ganito mag-expire para sigurado kang walang sayang. Because it doesn't just get you for flights for free, di ba?
Yan yung sa mga ibang airlines na hindi local. Kasi like now, sa Philippine Airlines, their miles do not expire anymore. Kasi there's a law, diba? There was like a law that passed na... Yeah.
So, okay. So, yun. Make sure that you monitor your miles also para walang sayang. And halimbawa, meron kayong miles na malapit na mag-expire. Hindi nyo kailangan kumuha ng flights. May iba silang freebies. From tech, to accommodations, to food.
Rice cooker.
Oo, may rice cooker pa nga.
Hindi, pero...
Diba, pang Christmas, ano yan?
I think
raffle.
the most advantageous talaga is the flights.
Yeah,
yun
the
yung pinaka sulit.
Okay. I remember one more thing na ginagawa ko. Each credit card has they have different conversions when you convert it to miles. So, pwede nyo i-compute yun where you will get the most miles of your credit
And then
card.
yun yung gagamitin
Oo,
mo.
yun ang gagamitin mo para pang transfer.
Yes.
Halimbawa, you use a certain bank, tapos partner niya, sabihin natin ng Philippine Airlines, mas malaki yung conversion niya ng miles rather than other airlines. So, I think that's some of our tips for flying free.
Yeah, flying
Diba?
for free.
Okay, so please watch out for more of our videos because we will be featuring more travel sites, more travel tips, and ano pa?
Promos.
Promos and everything.
Yeah.
Basta kung saan kayo makakarami.
Yeah, hotels,
yun
we'll
yung
be featuring hotels as well.
Yun yung aming motto dito sa aming column, right?
Mismo.
Okay.
Once again, this has been
Visas
Visas.